beautiful Geist Reservoir, and this family had a service done called roof washing. And so it was applied on a little bit of a too windy day, and they used bleach to clean the roofs. And so what happened was some of the bleach got off and got onto plants. So that's what happened up here. And you can see back here, there's a lot of, like all these burning bushes here. They shouldn't have any discoloration right now. If you walk over here to the side, you can see that this tree, you may not be able to see it, but there's a lot of brown spotted leaves. There's a lot of leaves on the ground. Even if you walk up a little bit further, you can see that this oak leaf hydrangea here, it should not, these blooms should still all be white. There shouldn't be any dead in them. They got brown leaves and stuff like that. Anyways, the fact of the matter is that these plants are not dead, but they are in major stress right now. And so if you have plants that are like that after you just had a service done and maybe there was bleach applied, we can help. All right, so we have specialty products that I've been here for 2 hours applying specialty products to all the roots of this. All of these, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 roots here. There's all the other plants that were affected. You have to put this product on all of these. And so if that does happen to you, I recommend getting us out there to take a look at it and see what we can do. We do have products. We have a really good level, and if they're really bad, we can add a second product on to help facilitate that recovery even more. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to call us. Green's Lawn Care and Property Services. You can reach us at 317-748-3153. Talk to you soon. Bye.